Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. So I'm gonna have two videos today. One of them will be me with one of my personal hobbies, and the other one of course will be an Artisan Keycap related video. So this will be the Artisan Keycap video. So I'm going to review 3 Artisan Keycap makers today. And they're all like caps that I really love and stuff. So I am first going to show off a very cool cap that I've had like since, I want to say maybe like at least a year and a half. And it's a very cool cap by Gleb Caps. I'm not really sure if he's like active anymore in like the key making community, because last time that I saw he had like a sale maybe like half a year ago, and I haven't really seen any updates from him since then. But anyways, he makes a very cool like gravestone looking keycap. I love it. It absolutely fits my aesthetic, so you know, of course I had to get my hands on it. It has like a cool headstone, a little like patch of like dirt right here, and some grass on the bottom, and apart from that doesn't really have like any maker's mark or anything else. It's just a cool like little like 3-shot like, you know, keycap right here. And he does have other sculpts. I think he has this one that kind of looks like I want to say it almost looks like Jack Skellington, like a skeleton looking face. So he does seem to run with like a very spooky looking kind of theme, but I absolutely love it. Like, it's one of my favorite caps ever, never letting it go, you know. And another key cap that I have is by Keycaps. So Keycaps, they make a couple sculpts. I think they make like a cute little like elephant, a very cute little lucky cat, and I think I'm missing something. I can't really remember, but they do for sure make like a lucky cat and an elephant, along with blanks as well. So this blank is from their Valentine's sale. You know, like it, once you look at it, that's totally me. Like, it has the glitter, it has pink, it has like transparency in it. I absolutely love it. You know, it is actually one of my favorite keycaps. I honestly think it's a very cool blank, and I believe this was only like, I want to say $15-$20 or something, which is crazy because I absolutely love it. Like, it's such a solid piece of work right here. Like, there's no bubbles, there's no like, you know, like weird like inconsistencies on it. It's actually a very nicely made keycap, and I absolutely love it. Like, I also really love their maker's mark because they have like a cool like shining sun kind of thing going on. Hopefully you'll be able to catch it on there, I don't know. But I really love it. Like, it's also on my never to trade or sell list. As I'm going through like all these videos, there are like a lot of caps that I have that I'm planning on never getting rid of. So it might be a little bit annoying to hear about, but you kind of get like an inside look on my own personal collection and stuff. And then one of the last keycaps that I have are from Tumsy/Amidst the Clouds. She's a very cool American artisan keycap maker. She's super sweet, like the friendliest person you'll probably meet in the community. She's really helpful. Like, I'm starting to like, or I've expressed interest in trying to like get into keycap sculpting and making, and you know, like casting, and she's been nothing but very helpful. Like, whenever I do talk to her, like, she's absolutely such a sweetheart. So she's come out with 2 sculpts. It is the Starboy and the Cloud Cap. So the Starboy is a cute little starfish with a like nice little like happy face on it. It's super cute, and this was from a sale like a little while back. I love it because it's sparkly, it's purple, and it's like transparent. So like a lot of these like keycap makers and like know exactly what I'm all about, you know. So it's so cute. Like, I really love how detailed the sculpt is, because if you look at it, there's like a bunch of like little indents for like the starfish suckers. There's like, you know, the cute little face going on. There's like the little you know, just like little holes inside these starfish, and I think it's so cute and so amazingly well done. I really love it, you know. It's super cute. And then I also have a matching blank. So this the blank that they make is the cloud cap. So it's just like a very cute, like swirly looking cloud, and I really love their work. Like, it's so cute. So you can see the little cloud right here. It's like a big little swirly, and it's like, you know, like covered by this cute like blue glitter, which I absolutely love, because I love seeing like when people use different kinds of glitters in their stuff. I absolutely adore it. So, you know, they look so cute together. Here, let me put them up close. And as you can see, they are adorable. I'm gonna put some pictures up, obviously either right here or right here, so you guys will be able to see them in better detail. And then one of the other amidst the cloud caps that I do have is another cloud boy. Like, I really love the cloud caps that they make, because honestly, she has like such an amazing taste in colors. Like, she has like a lot of very cutesy colors, and this is one of them. So it's obviously like a winter themed cap. It has like white swirls and like blue like glitter going on, along with like two, or not two, but like, you know, little like star glitters that are encapsulated in here, and I think it's so adorable. Like, if you look at it, it's such a really nicely done work. It is so cool. Like, the top of it kind of looks like, you know, it's like encapsulated and shot in there, and then the rest of it is like more transparent and stuff, and I really love it. I'm just a very big fan of Tumsey's work. Like, she recently came out with like this crazy colorway that was like a modern art theme or something. I can't really remember, but it was so cool. There was like, you know, splashes of yellow and red and black, and it was so awesome. Like, I really want to go in on it, but I haven't, you know, I've been trying to like scale back on spending a lot on artisans at the moment. So that's why I didn't really go in on it, but hopefully I'll be able to, like, you know, maybe trade my way towards one, maybe. I don't know, we'll see about it. But yeah, that was just like a few little like artisan showcases that I wanted to do. Just show off some stuff, you know, like a cute casual kind of review. It's gonna be a short video, but I wanted to put some content out there that was like, you know, mechanical keyboard related, because I'm gonna have like a little bit of a longer personal hobby video on the side. So like, you know, I don't want to, you know, create content to like, you know, isolate different viewers. Like, I'd rather, you know, be able to like appease everyone as well as cover stuff that I do love. So as always, thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.